Hello, my name is Parker, and my opponent is Philip Klein. I am in 2nd grade. I'm 8 years old, and my opponent is Philip Klein. He is 9, and he is in 3rd grade. My cameraman is Nick Shaw, and he is in kindergarten, and you are 6. And let's just get this epic battle started, and this is just going to be over the hook line. I don't know what to say. I don't know what this is called. I don't want to offend any really high-tech Nerf gun fans out there by calling it something cool, but I'm going to call it, this is the wicked gun of all time. And I'm going to win this Nerf gun war by shooting him. And by the way, we should get this party started. Parker. Did I hit you?
No, you did not.
Yes, I did.
No, you did not. You did not hit me. You looked at my dodge. Ah! Oh! Good! Good! What the? Ah.
Time out.
Boom!
Man, hit me.
Give me a haircut!
Time out. I said time out. Okay, time.
Take his lever!
Triple kicker!
Take a lever! You have a gunner! Parker, can I reload?
Yeah?
Thanks.
So that means it's time out for both of us. Is it time in?
Nope.
You call time in, I'm gonna shoot you with my barrel.
No, I'm still reloading. I'm still reloading.
Time in?
You say yes. Human hippo!
Did I hit you?
No, you missed me. Hit you.
Yeah, you did.
I won.
I won! Boom!
Here is the winner!
Boom!
Parker! Say that. Oh. Wanna pause the video? No, you wanna.